Hello friends, welcome to our channel GPAT Preparation Guide. In last video we studied about antiviral drugs classification, and in this video we are going to study about antiviral drugs mechanism of action. If you have not watched our previous video, I will place the link in the I button. You should watch that video first before starting this video because mechanism of action is most related with the classification of the antiviral drug. So before starting mechanism of action of antiviral drug, we will see about what is the mechanism of action of virus on the host cell. Because by knowing the mechanism of action of virus, we will be clear how our drugs act and at which step our drugs act in the mechanism of action of virus to inhibit its entry into the host cell. The first point of mechanism of action of virus is attachment of the host cell. The virus comes and binds to the host cell. This is the first point. In this point, virus comes and attaches to the host cell and starts its second step. Second step of mechanism of action of virus is fusion or penetration. Fusion or penetration means, as its name says, the virus penetrates the host cell and get entry into the host cell. Third step is release of genome or uncoating. As its name suggests that it is uncoating of the viral cell body, that is viral capsule. Viral capsule opens up and it releases its genomes from inside. Now these viral genomes replicate themselves to form a new virus. After replication of the viral genome, the protein synthesis takes place. This protein synthesis is required to formation of the capsule. Now both the ingredients come together and form a enveloping. This process is known as enveloping. Means that the whole virus cell is formed inside the host cell again, and this virus cells gets released to infect the another host cell. So this means one virus enters our host cell, that infects that one host cell, it forms new sub viruses, and that sub viruses go and infect our another cells. This is why one virus gets multiplied into our body to form illness. To know the mechanism of antiviral drug, we should know this mechanism of action of virus and where our drugs act at which point of this mechanism to inhibit its action. Now first point is attachment of the host cell. At the host cell and viral attachment, there are some receptors and proteins present which help them to attach to the host cell. The protein present on virus is known as GP120 and the receptors are CD4 receptor and co-receptor is CCR5 co-receptor. Now to inhibit this method, drug Mariviroe is used, which is an anti-HIV drug which inhibits the co-receptor CCR5, due to which the attachment of viral DNA with the host cell gets inhibited. Now next step is fusion or penetration, which means virus gets penetrated through the host cell wall into the host cell. To inhibit virus to penetrate the surface of the host cell, drugs like enfuviritide are used, which gets attached to the GP41 and inhibits its penetration power. Also, we can inhibit this penetration by changing the conditions of the host cell. That means you can change the pH level of the host cell. This can be done by the use of hydroxychloroquine, which is the well-known drug at this time, which is also used for the treatment of coronavirus. Now third point is release of genome. Release of genome means uncoating. For this, there is a M2 receptor release of genome. This is the M2 receptor which is responsible for the release of genome from the viral cell. To inhibit this method, we have to inhibit M2 receptor. So for inhibition of the M2 receptor, amantadine and rimantadine are the drugs which are used, which get attached to the M2 receptor, which inhibits its uncoating, due to which nucleotides are not released and it gets inhibited. Now fourth part of the mechanism is replication of viral genome. Now you can see that this is the RNA genome which gets converted into DNA with the help of the reverse transcripted enzyme. So for inhibiting this step, we need to inhibit reverse transcriptase or we need to inhibit the whole process. So this inhibition can be done by three types of drug. First type of drug is known as NRTI, which means nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. As name suggests, it will inhibit the reverse transcriptase enzyme and inhibit the whole process of formation of DNA from the RNA. They themselves insert in between the growing nucleotide chain and they inhibit this process. The examples of NRTI are girogudin and lamivudine. Now another type of drug that is used for the inhibition of reverse transcriptase is NNRTA, which is known as non-nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor. These drugs binds to the reverse transcriptase compatibility. That means it will inhibit the action of reverse transcriptase on the formation of new nucleotide chain, due to which there will be no formation of new nucleotide chain and there will be no formation of DNA. This is known as competitive binding to the reverse transcriptase. The examples of NNRTI are nevirapine, efavirenz. Another type of drugs used for the inhibition of reverse transcriptase are integrase inhibitor. These are dolutegravir and dolutegravir. These drugs inhibits DNA polymerase. For formation of the DNA polymerase is required, which is a precursor for the formation of new nucleotide chain. While this integrase inhibitors inhibits the new DNA polymerase and it stops the formation of the DNA from the RNA. Another step is the protein synthesis. In protein synthesis, it is also known as the antisense therapy. In this therapy, short synthesized nucleoside strands are used to inhibit protein synthesis. Short synthesized nucleoside means what? They form a mRNA, synthetic mRNA, which binds to the viral mRNA to inhibit the formation of protein. Drugs which are used for this are famivircin. Famivircin is a drug which is the synthetic mRNA which binds to the viral mRNA to inhibit the formation of protein. This method can also be done by another method that is known as protease inhibitor method. But this method is not applied to all the viruses. There are some viruses which require protease enzyme to cut its nucleotide chains into short portions. So the viruses which require protease enzyme can also be inhibited using protease inhibitor method. Now the last method of antiviral drug is release of virus, which is known as neuraminidase inhibitor. Neuraminidase is an enzyme which is required for viral cell to get outside the host cell and infect another host cell. So if we inhibit neuraminidase, it will inhibit the action of virus to come out from the host cell, due to which there will be no infection passed further from one host cell to the another host cell and the whole process of viral infection gets inhibited. Example of neuraminidase inhibitor is oseltamivir. So this is all for the today's video. We see about mechanism of action of antiviral drugs according to the mechanism of action of virus and at which step which drugs act on the virus. So thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share as much as you can. Thank you.